लोग आएंगे, चुनाव है आप तो जानते हैं, लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूरे 5 वर्ष जनता के बीच में रहकर काम करती है।
कानून सबके लिए समान है और कानून सबके साथ समान रूप से व्यवहार भी करेगा। अगर कोई दोषी है तो उसको छोड़ेंगे भी नहीं, और कोई भी क्यों ना हो।
Hello everyone, you're watching News Epicenter with me, Maria Shakil. The violence in Lakhimpur Kheri has become the primary flashpoint in battleground Uttar Pradesh after the deaths of farmers, BJP workers and one journalist. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has promised justice, and one of the main accused, Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra, is in police custody. But the opposition is not done, using the incident to launch an all-out offensive against the BJP in a bid to tackle Yogi Adityanath's brand of being tough on law and order. Priyanka Gandhi is leading the opposition charge in the state. Today, she attended the Antim Ardas or prayer meet for the farmers killed in Lakhimpur. Rahul Gandhi will lead a Congress delegation to meet President Ramnath Kovind on Wednesday. The party is demanding Ajay Mishra's ouster to ensure a fair investigation. The Samajwadi Party has accused the BJP of protecting Ajay Mishra to keep upper caste voters happy. Leading the attack amidst the farmer agitation, Akhilesh Yadav says the BJP has exposed its anti-farmer mindset, saying the government is willing to crush their voices. Now, you also have Asaduddin Owaisi, who has also thrown his hat in the ring in Uttar Pradesh. He has given a communal spin to this incident, saying that if Ashish Mishra's name had been Atiq, the BJP government would have run a bulldozer over his home. It's clear that the BJP is in damage control over this incident. BJP President JP Nadda held a closed-door meet with UP party chief Swatantra Dev Singh and other leaders. Sources say the top brass is worried Lakhimpur may become a national issue as demands to sack Ajay Mishra are only growing. Given the different political contours in the aftermath of this incident, is it turning into the key election flashpoint in Uttar Pradesh? Is the road to power now via Lakhimpur? Joining me on the show, Waris Pathan, spokesperson of the MIM, Zafar Islam, Member of Parliament of the BJP, Supriya Shrinate, Congress spokesperson, Ghanshyam Tiwari, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Sanjay Kumar, professor at CSDS and political analyst. Supriya, the charge from your former ally, the Samajwadi Party, is that the BJP is attacking Priyanka and Rahul only to make it a multi-cornered contest in a state where the Congress party's vote bank is at its rock bottom. So this is more of a fight for your political relevance.
No, I think that statement has been taken out of context, and with all due respect to whatever the former ally or my opponent today is saying, I want to place on record here what is happening. Today was the Antim Ardas in Lakhimpur. Priyanka Gandhi ji and many leaders from the opposition party went. After 8 days was the man who's allegedly mowed down these farmers arrested. His father continues to protect him, continues to make speeches, and he's no ordinary man. He's MP from Lakhimpur. He's also India's Minister of State of Home Affairs in charge of internal security. He continues to be in his position, and the BJP is brazening it out completely. The conspicuous silence of the Prime Minister actually raises questions on his complicity into all of this. Why is he not sacking and dismissing this man from a position of authority? Because he is in a position not just to influence witnesses, but also protect his son. So let us first address the basic questions. The Antim Ardas has happened, but people are asking, how will justice be done till the father continues in such a powerful position where he is absolutely capable and is in fact influencing?
Zafar, respond to this charge that if the minister continues in his office, then he is capable of influencing the investigation against his son.
See, whatever she says, it is absolutely baseless because she cannot quantify it, she cannot prove it. First of all, the interference by the government has never been done by BJP government or the NDA government in any investigation. It is being done independently by the agencies, by the authorities, by the police officers, by the SIT, and there is absolutely no interference from the government. And had it been the case, he would have not been arrested. The fact that he has been arrested, that only suggests that he has not been able to influence, or he has no intention to
Okay, let me put the
and
lens
nor the
on the politics of it,
ever allowed.
because various stakeholders are looking at Lakhimpur Kheri from various political angles.
Maya,
and one
can I
charge.
please come in?
No, I'm coming to you, Supriya,
No,
because I
Maya-
have to get opening comments also from the Samajwadi Party, and Ghanshyam will be coming on this. Ghanshyam, why is Akhilesh Yadav saying that the BJP is trying to make this a multi-cornered contest, and that is the reason why they are training guns at Priyanka Gandhi rather than looking at what Akhilesh Yadav is doing in the state?
Well, good evening to you, the viewers, and my fellow panelists. I believe the moot point is that in Uttar Pradesh, everyone wants Bharatiya Janata Party out, because the party, its governance model is one of built on hatred and propaganda, Shamshan and Kabristan. There is no governance, there's no jobs, there's no hope for prosperity. And with Lakhimpur Kheri, it exposes the so-called double engine that actually mows down people and unaccountable. The fact that this minister continues to be in power demonstrates the brazen support for anyone who has any kind of criminal antecedent at the highest level of politics. The Ek Rashtra Dhrit Rashtra model of Pradhan Mantri Modi is exposed. As far as what Akhilesh ji has said, I think it is clear with the Vijay Rath and the Yatra that Samajwadi Party is very confident about becoming the people's choice. It is a commentary on BJP rather than any other party.
Okay.
That
So
BJP
you
is so
are
desperate.
opening
so
a
desperate
small window perhaps with your former ally, UP ke ladke ka partner number 2, that is the Congress. Opening comments from you, Waris Pathan. How is communal angle entering in this investigation, and why should Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi be looking at giving it a communal spin?
Well, Maria, Lakhimpur is the direct effect of Yogi's Thok Dalunga policy. Yogi says Thok Dalo. Now his minister said that if I become earlier Mishra, I will see to it that within half a minute I can clear off these farmers. Khattar says that we should form 600 to 700 people group, go there, see to it that they are finished. And within 24 hours, as a pre-planned conspiracy, Mishra, son, he takes the car Thar and he massacres the farmers, killing 4 of them, killing one of the journalists. Now, who is responsible for all this? Yogi, Modi, and there, what happens to their Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas wali policies goes to dogs. Now, 8 people have lost their life. People of India want justice.
Yes.
How justice will be delivered?
How will
if
justice
the
be
father is
delivered
still holding the post of the MOS? Just 10 seconds.
No,
10 seconds.
One moment. How will justice be delivered if Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi says if Ashish Mishra would have been Atiq, then his house would have been bulldozed? How is that justice?
Well, what we have been saying in the last 7 years is this: in Yogi's Raj, what is happening? If the person's name is Atiq, his house is bulldozed. But today here, the person who has killed, who has massacred 4 farmers and 1 journalist, he's there in the jail, he's having all the facilities. His father is not yet removed. His father is holding the post of the MOS home, wherein the officers who are investigating the case will have to come before him, salute him, and give him the evidence that, okay, sir, we are doing investigation on this line. Do you feel that a fair approach will take place? Will the people of Lakhimpur or India get justice if the father remains on the post? I am shocked and surprised.
So basically,
Why is he not
all
removed?
opposition
And
parties
Yogi
are saying
says-
one thing,
Yogi says,
that there
"Sabka
has to
Saath,
be
Sabka Vikas,
resignation.
Sabka Vishwas goes
Yes,
to dogs."
okay. Sanjay Kumar, it is not that
Yes,
we
in
don't
order
see
to
this
have a
kind of
fair
tug of
play.
war between political parties. But what makes Lakhimpur Kheri
In order
play
to have a
out
fair
this way?
crop,
No, I think
it's a
because
question posed to me.
in the case of Lakhimpur Kheri, people are trying to equate what has happened in Jammu and Kashmir and what has happened in some other state, what happened in Rajasthan about lynching of the farmer. I think the cases are different. This is a case where the person who is implicated or the person on whom charges are being investigated is a son of a very influential person. And normally in such a situation, government would have gone on a slight back foot. Government would have asked the minister to resign so that it allows fair investigation. That's the point which makes this case different from other cases, and that is why oppositions are rallying behind and trying to take political advantage. I would not say that oppositions are not opposition parties are not trying to take political advantage. They're trying to take political advantage because the BJP doesn't want to go on a back foot. They doesn't want to concede even an inch. Had they asked the minister to resign, the son has been arrested on day one. I don't think opposition would have, tried to make a politics out of that. So that's the whole point why opposition seems to be rallying.
Okay. Zafar Islam,
seems
did
to have become a
the
rallying point for all
BJP mishandle the situation?
Maria-
You looked at some
Yes.
kind of Khalistani link, then denied opposition entry for expressing condolences, and then the entire compensation, announcement politics played out as well. My question is, eventually Priyanka Gandhi and others managed to go. You allowed them. Even today they are there. What made BJP react the way you did? And finally, you are clearly in damage control. Did you mishandle?
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
Maria,
In
the
fact,
question is
initially
to
when Rahul Gandhi or
me.
Rahul
Zafar
Gandhi
Islam.
or Priyanka Gandhi were trying to go there, they were trying to disrupt everything when the law and order was the priority. To maintain the law and order was the priority of the government. So they ensured the law and order should be maintained there, the peaceful environment should exist, and these people must visit there. We have no problem in any of the politicians should be visiting, but their intention should not be mollified, and that's what the intention was of Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, was to just mislead the people when they are agitated, mislead them to achieve their political goal. But we didn't allow them to happen. What we did, first we maintained the peaceful environment there, and then of course we allowed them to visit everyone.
Supriya,
we had
a quick
absolute no
response from
intention
you.
to stop them. Says,
I think the BJP spokesperson, I'm wondering how does he say all of this with a straight face? Because I was there in Sitapur because we were stopped, we could not go to Lakhimpur. Look at what happened and then tell me, is a fair probe possible? There are videos after videos which are absolutely brazen. They are drunk on power and people are being mowed down. People who are peacefully coming back from a protest. The man allegedly doing that is not arrested for 8 days. They are pasting one notice after the other. दामाद को बुला रहे थे क्या आप घर पर? उसके बाद आप 8 राउंड उनको चाय नाश्ता खिलाते. After 8 days you arrest him. His father continues to be in a position and you want quantification. Hathras, Unnao, Shahjahanpur, Kathua. There are multiple examples where you stand first with the perpetrators of the crime. When the Supreme Court and the opposition put pressure, only then do you act.
Okay.
Hathras is
Zafar,
an example.
different
Unnao,
versions
Sengar is an
based
example.
on
And Lakhimpur is an example.
different video clips have swirled around on social media since October 3rd. We are seeing political polarization that's happening as well. My question is, again, will it not be fair what the opposition is saying that the BJP stood with the perpetrators?
not at all. We are allowing free and fair investigation should take place.
I'm beyond
SIT
shocked,
has
Zafar.
been
I'm beyond
constituted.
shocked at your moral
And,
bankruptcy.
I am beyond shocked what the kind of a statement you are
Governments
making.
are run with a moral code of
You are
conduct.
there's a
Where is
bankruptcy
your
of
moral?
ideas in Congress.
Forget
There is a
it.
bankruptcy of ideas in Congress party. That's why you are
Absolutely
latching on
morally
such opportunities
bankrupt.
only for the
You,
political
your Prime
mileage.
Minister, the Home Minister,
You
this
are a
government.
morally bankrupt
Absolutely
party,
morally
and we know
bankrupt.
very
That's
very
what you are.
well known
Morally
that you
bankrupt.
people have
Totally
absolutely
morally
no
bankrupt.
ideas.
Everybody.
And that's
सबको
why
आपका
you
नैतिक
think that this could be an
दिवालियापन दिख रहा
opportunity
है.
for you
सब
to
लोग देख सकते
revive
हैं
your
आपका
party.
असली
You will not be
चेहरा.
able to revive your
सबको
party
समझ में आ रहा है आप क्या
because
कर
you have
रहे हैं.
lost the
सबको
confidence
समझ में
of
आ रहा है
people.
आपके
You
मंत्री
have
you
lost
know,
the confidence of
okay,
people.
okay.
अरे सबको समझ में आ रहा है.
Supriya and Zafar,
सबको
one
आपको
point.
समझ में आ रहा है कि आप राजनीति
There
करने
is
जा
the
रहे
other
हैं.
side which cannot be overlooked either, and for that I would like to bring Ghanshyam Tiwari. Ghanshyam, there is
राजनीति मत
something
कीजिए.
that
नहीं-
has been
नहीं
done.
होगा राजनीति. नहीं कर पाएंगी राजनीति.
शर्म करो
खत्म हो गई आपकी
मोरल
पार्टी.
कोड ऑफ बच्चों को घर पे जाके
शर्म
क्या
कीजिए,
सिखाते हैं?
शर्म
कि
कीजिए.
जो मार रहा है
अब
उसके साथ खड़े रहना है.
ऐसे
क्या सिखाते हैं आप बच्चों को
अब
घर पे जाकर?
अब
क्या
मरे हुए
सिखाते हैं
लोगों
बच्चों
पर
को
आप
घर पे
राजनीति
जाकर?
करती है.
आप सीधे वो बच्चों से बात कर पाते हैं?
अरे
इस
आप
issue
क्या
पर?
सिखाती
शर्म
हैं?
आनी चाहिए आपको.
You know,
शर्म आनी
अरे
चाहिए.
Okay,
आप क्या
Ghanshyam,
बात करती है?
the quick
आप क्या
agreement
करती है?
by the
आप
state
पूरे
government
देश को लूट के
to practically
पूरे
all
देश को
demands
लूट-
that were being made by the protesters. There has been a compensation for the kin of those who died, jobs for them, a judicial inquiry and an FIR. All that has been done as well. And the police clarified quickly that the son of the minister who has been named in the FIR will be questioned. He has been arrested. All that has been done within the matter of 48 hours. You can say opposition put pressure. But the question now is, that is Lakhimpur Kheri the most deciding and important issue in the state of Uttar Pradesh today? Because farmers' issue per se had never been the deciding factor in Uttar Pradesh. You know, the compensation for farmers or others. There have been multiple issues playing out in the fault lines of Uttar Pradesh, but not farmers per se.
Maria, I'll say two quick things. One, you are a very sensible journalist. You have covered all kinds of situations. The delay and moral bankruptcy of BJP ensures that these very violent and tragic videos of people lynching, of car overturning, people being mowed down, is played day after day on national media. This is dehumanizing to the family. And the reason this is happening is the BJP is not doing justice. There is no reason. It's clear that the minister provoked the farmers. It is absolutely clear that the minister misled because he had the power to convene press conferences. He misled everybody by saying that the car overturned. He also misled by saying that his son was not on the scene. He has not spoken a single truth in the entire matter. So clearly, his presence there, by just looking at the facts, is against the basic fabric of how justice and fair investigation should prevail in this particular case. As far as whether this becomes a flashpoint, Uttar Pradesh has seen many flashpoints.
Yes.
It is hurting. जिस प्रदेश में शमशान कब्रिस्तान की बात करके अच्छे दिन लाने की बात की गई थी, वहां पे हर परिवार को बुरे दिन दिखाए गए हैं. Therefore, I think this is just one more incident that proves that whether it is farmers, whether it is youth, whether it is women, there is no hope.
Zafar, what will be the answer to all the questions that are being posed by opposition today, be it the Samajwadi Party or the Congress? What is your idea of a fair investigation? And can there be a fair investigation in this case?
Of course, there is a fair investigation being done. The opposition is playing politics. They feel that their party has lost the confidence of the people, and this could be a golden opportunity for them to revive their chances of winning election. But they know that when you lose the confidence of the people, it is very difficult to revive in such a situation. When especially the incumbent government is doing everything possible to ensure that the free and fair investigation should take place, and those who are guilty should be punished without
intellectually bankrupt too today.
You are a morally bankrupt party. You represent a party which has no moral value. You represent a party which has no moral value. You have plundered the nation's wealth. अरे आपने क्या जो बेल पे जो असली चेहरा कांग्रेस का दिख रहा है,
दिखना चाहिए.
अच्छा,
आज हम माहौल का विषय बनकर रह गए.
असली चेहरा
सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिडिक्यूल.
अरे आप
थैंक्स टू यू, योर गवर्नमेंट एंड योर प्राइम मिनिस्टर.
हाँ, वो दिख रहा है ना. आपकी सरकार जब थी वो क्या किया आपने पूरे दूसरे दुनिया को. डोंट प्रीच व्हाट यू हैव नॉट प्रैक्टिस. डोंट प्रीच अस. नो, डोंट प्रीच अस. यू बिलोंग टू ए politically नहीं party which has finished, which has been finished completely from this.
You are defending a murderer, a mass massacre.
I am not trying to defend anything. I am all trying to say that free and fair investigation is taking place. You are trying to take the situation to your advantage. This will not happen. You are unnecessarily trying to exploit.
Okay, let me take the closing comments, and I'm going to begin with Waris Pathan.
Blatant.
Well, Maria, the BJP is worried about losing their upper caste votes, and the Mishra belongs to the upper caste. They are worried that they will lose their upper caste
so
vote.
You are speaking the same language as the Samajwadi Party.
And that is why till now, Mishra is not yet removed from the party. Mishra is not yet ordered to resign. Why Modi is not ordering Mishra to resign? The question is simple. The Supreme Court said the BJP UP government is not doing proper investigation, and that is why they started the investigation. And what they did, 10 cups of tea are being offered to him in the police custody. Will the same courtesy be offered if Waris Pathan or Atiq Ahmed is arrested by the UP police? I am sure no what we have seen in the last 7 years.
Again, we are seeing that same question. Zafar will respond to this.
Zafar, Atiq is arrested. You know what will happen to him.
And here Mishra is essentially to ensure that your upper caste vote stays intact.
And all the courtesy is being handed over to them. That is why he is not yet been ordered to resign from the post by Modi.
Maria, they all stand exposed. Their mind is only on election. They want to take this as an advantage.
No, why
So
Modi
put
is not
their
ordering
party
Mishra to
as a
resign from his
position
post as the
advantage,
MOS?
which will not happen.
Because Modi is
Because
afraid that
they
he
see
will
this
lose
as
his
an
upper caste
opportunity.
votes.
It will
And
not
the UP
happen.
election is
Purely
there.
because
That is the
investigation
only
is being
reason.
done.
When
And
Mishra is
those who
taking
are
that place,
guilty
sir,
will be punished.
we want
That
a
is
fair
something which has been promised
we
by the
want a
Honorable
fair
Chief
probe.
Minister.
Please see to it that he
There
resigns
will
at
be
the
a free and
earliest.
fair
If you want to see
investigation.
that the country
It is
gets
not the
justice,
UPA
if you
government,
want
it
to
is
see
it
that
is
the
the NDA
farmers who have
government,
lost their
and
lives,
India government
their
will
family
conduct
gets
You know,
free and
this
fair
issue-
investigation
Mishra
without
resigns,
ambiguity.
and then have a
Totally
probe.
blabbering.
Otherwise,
Yes.
we don't
Yes.
feel there will be a fair probe in the entire Lakhimpur incidents.
Okay. Sanjay
I
Kumar?
don't think Zafar Islam can blabber
आप
more than this
राजनीति
because he
करना
knows
चाहते
his
हैं?
Comments are absolutely baseless.
Okay. Let me
काय
get the
का
final
राजनीति
words
तो
now.
आप कर रहे हैं,
Okay,
अपर कास्ट
Sanjay-
की राजनीति आप
Sanjay
कर रहे
Kumar.
हैं।
पॉलिटिकली बैंकक्रप्ट हो गई है, तो आप यहाँ
Sanjay
घूम रहे हैं कि
Kumar, you know, we are seeing multiple political parties, all of them are looking at that there is a mix of restlessness that is there over the farming issue, which is now becoming and entering that very space of identity politics. Would you say that this is what is going to be Lakhimpur Kheri being going to be about? That this is about identity politics at play in the context being interpreted by various political parties for their own political advantage?
Very difficult to, I don't think that this is, yes, this is an issue which is a burning issue at the moment, but as we move closer to the day of election, I don't think this is going to be an issue even in UP across the state. I think if you go to the eastern UP and other districts, this issue is not as a burning issue as we see in the western UP or in Lakhimpur. So I still believe that yes, this will be an issue on which opposition parties will try to corner the BJP. But when it comes to the day of election, the day of voting, people would have various other considerations while trying to vote. This is not going to be the prime consideration of a majority of the voters in UP. As I said, even the farmers of western UP and eastern UP are of different nature. Farming is of different nature. Concerns are different. So turning it into a farmers issue is not going to be successful if the opposition want to contest the election only on this.
Okay, and why is the man who's seen as a direct challenger, because you and I have had multiple discussions on Uttar Pradesh and you're still of the opinion that this is a bipolar contest, not really a multi-cornered contest. Why is Akhilesh Yadav at the moment, acting with quite restraint? Why is he doing what he's doing?
No, I still say that it is a multi-corner contest. In a sense, there would be 4 or 5 stakeholders. But finally, if you look at how people are going to vote, so the real contest is going to be between the two political parties. As I see elections turning at this moment, the BJP and the Samajwadi Party. I'm not saying that people are not going to vote for BSP. BSP will be in the contest. Congress will be in the contest. Other political parties might form groups. So there will be a 4 or 5 corner contest. But the real contest or the real challenger to BJP is going to be Samajwadi Party. And I still believe Samajwadi Party is at the best a real challenger to BJP. I still don't see them marching ahead of BJP.
All right. Thank you so much, Sanjay Kumar, Ghanshyam Tiwari, Supriya, Srinate, Zafar Islam and Waris Pathan. Thank you so much for joining us on this discussion and sharing your thoughts. That's all from me. Thanks so much for watching and I'll be seeing you tomorrow.